Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this beautiful morning. At least right here, the sun is shining. The market, however, is a little bit more bearish, and we're going to talk about the XRP in this video. And I have two good news items for you and one bad news item for you. The bad news is obvious. I mean that you can see on the chart right here for XRP. The good news, however, is that I was right. All right. If you watch my videos for XRP throughout the entirety of last week, what I always told you is that, all right, we're consolidating, but there is a chance, there is a high likelihood with the FOMC coming up and just in general with the uncertainty that arose with DeepSeek, the Chinese AI competitor. There is a chance that we'll drop down into 2.85, 2.9, potentially 2.75. And what I explicitly said is that I will buy from 2.9 and 2.85 if we get a good reaction, and I will buy from 2.75 and that area without waiting for the reaction. And what you can see right now is that we dropped down. All right, so this move was to be expected if you watch my videos. And second of all, we got a beautiful reaction from 2.75. So if you took this trade, and obviously, I mean, I don't expect you to take all the trades I name in the videos, because then not every trade is profitable, and you don't know how I'm trading it, you don't know the stop loss, etc. And I'm just a YouTuber making analysis, right? So why would you take my trades, even though I'm profitable? So take that into consideration. But if you took the trade, I would de-risk it, right? So just move your stop loss to entry, because the market as a whole, like Bitcoin, is recovering a bit here, but it's still under resistance, right? And then the second good news item, outside of being right, which I hate to say it like that, but there were so many people calling or saying like, 2.75, we're never going there. And this is proof that the market can actually be very, very unexpected. But great touch from that support level, right? You have a ton of support confluences right here at this level at 2.75, the 200 EMA. You have the 0.236 fib of the entire move up, so that's a very strong Fibonacci level as well. But the second bullish point is that I think this doesn't invalidate the bullish structure that we have created, all right? And I think the bullish reaction we've actually gotten from this so far is another confirmation that if you zoom all the way out, this structure is still bullish, all right? And I would even argue, and that's also why I would de-risk the trades. Like, it is still possible. I mean, if Bitcoin gets a bearish retest here and drops down lower, it's certainly possible that XRP still drops down into 2.6 and 2.55. But as long as we're holding that, we are holding the breakouts that we had after the 15th of January. And that bullish structure, in combination with my expectation of still bullish fundamentals coming up for XRP during 2025, I think it's enough to stay bullish on XRP, right? Regardless of the short-term price action and regardless of whether this is the bottom or that this is just a bounce and that will drop down here and that will consolidate down here. I would say both of these scenarios, so either dropping down lower or this was the bottom, still means that we are consolidating on top of the previous resistance level, which, like I said, in combination with my thoughts on the future fundamentally for Ripple and XRP, is enough to assume that we're going to stay bullish and that we're still going to make new highs if we actually see those fundamentals coming up, which we talked about yesterday, of course. So yeah, those are my thoughts. So ultimately, I am still bullish on XRP here. I think we'll be able to hold this level. On the short term, I do want to kind of stress that you should be a bit careful, right? Even though the bounce so far has been amazing, like I said, Bitcoin is still bearish on the 4-hour time frame, and as long as that's the case, the most likely scenario remains that we will actually drop down further into that level around 2.6, which I do expect to hold unless the stock market absolutely crashes. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.